Okay, I have a lot to do today. Hey girl, by the way, I'm so rude, but my head looks so rough. Well, my lace is starting to show really bad because it's time for me to get my hair done. So I am gonna go and get my hair done this weekend, but today I'm putting on a hat anyway, so it doesn't matter. I need to go get my car tag before I start getting pulled over, but I need to go to the tag office to get my tag renewed. I just got out the shower, my face is already clean, so I'm just putting on some of this Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Face Cream. But yeah, I need to hurry up and get my tag. I'm gonna put my hair in pigtails. I'm 31 years old, about to rock some pigtails. I don't even care. I just think it's cute with the hat on. It looks kind of sporty. So that is what I am doing today. This is how I do it. It's pretty easy. But I don't go all the way down. I just stop kind of halfway, about right here. And then take a rubber band and put it right here at the end. Like this. Very easy. Very, very, very easy. And once I put the rubber band on it, I just kind of take the hair and just pull it so it won't look too staged, you know? Oh no, I just like how the hair just kind of looks a little messy, but still kind of put together like that. That is how I am rocking my hair, like this. Put on some earrings to make it even more cute, and I'm going to put on a little bit of gloss, even though I've already put on some lip balm. I just want to, just a little bit of gloss, you know. This is the e.l.f. clear gloss, which is one of my favorites. Let's see, put my deodorant on. I use men's deodorant because I just feel like it just works so much better than women's deodorant. That's just me. Plus I like how it smells too. It smells really good. So I'm gonna put on a little bit of Smell Good. This is the Victoria's Secret Bombshell Nights Fragrance Mist. I'm just gonna put a little bit on, not much. And that's it. Now we can head out the door. Oh, I gotta go to the post office. I am delivering some foundations to one of my subscribers. So, yeah, and I already got it packed up. So, yes, Lego. All right. Oh, wait, hold on. So, I didn't know it was raining out here. I did not know that. And I don't have a rain jacket in my car. I just pulled out my little teddy bear jacket, which doesn't have a hood, which is okay. I mean, I have my hat on, my hair's in pigtails, nothing too serious, but I didn't know it was raining today. Great. All right, so I had to pull over. I totally forgot that I need to find the place, like the tag place. I don't even know where it is, because I usually get my tag online, like they just send it to me in my mail, but I've waited so long, I don't want to, you know, test it and end up getting pulled over because my tag is expired. So I'm gonna get it today, but I just need to go ahead and go to the tag office to get it. So I'm gonna look it up. Hopefully I have everything I need too. I'm pretty sure I have insurance, I have my ID. See, I don't even know. Let me see. Let's see. There it is. And how long is it gonna take me to get there? 11 minutes. Perfect. All right, let me cut y'all off. Y'all, that literally took 2 seconds. I went in there, there was no line. The ladies in there was so nice. I was not expecting that, like, at all. But that was so quick. So that's done. Yay. Well, let me see who sells acai bowls, because I want to try one. Did I tell you guys earlier that I was wanting to go try acai bowl? I was watching Catherine Bedell's Vlogmas the other day, and she went to get an acai bowl, and it looks so good. So I want to try one myself. Let me see who sells them. ACAI. Okay, acai bowls near me. Juice and Eatery, that's 3 miles away. That's not far at all. That's probably the closest. And they look so good. Yeah, I'm gonna try that. Let me put in the address and see. Oh yeah, that's not far at all. I actually know where that is. I don't even need to put the address in, but I need to find my way out of here. So I'm gonna put the address in. Lego, let me crank the car up. And let's go. I'm excited. I hope this is good. If it is, this is gonna be like my next go-to thing when I'm craving, I guess, like sweet cravings, because I think it's not really that bad. Okay, got my acai bowl, and it looks good. It looks like it has banana, granola, some honey. She asked me what kind I wanted. I didn't know what to say. So I just said, I guess the regular one, and I got a size small. So look at that. Let's do a taste test. I really hope I like this. Oh my god. Hold on. This is good. I've definitely been missing out. This is so good. Oh my god. This is definitely what I needed. Y'all, look at this. I killed it. Killed it. You hear me? So look where we are. We are at the Container Store finally. I almost don't want to go in with my camera because I always feel awkward walking in the store with the camera. So, I don't know. Well, let's just go in. All right, the music is loud in here, so I hope it's not copyright, but this is something that I was talking about. Something like this, and it's only $1.19, so that's pretty good. But I'm gonna keep looking around just to see what else they have. These are pretty cool. You press it down and you have storage in there, but I think I like the drawers that pull out better. Okay, these are pretty cool. They're a little pricey, but the amount of storage that I could fit in these. They have gray, they have white. I don't know. I'm gonna keep looking though. All right, so this is what I originally came in here for. These clear, they're shoe boxes, but they open up like this, which I showed you guys earlier, but that was actually something else. Like they had the stuff that was inside it that was for $1.19, but these are 8. What are these? 5 more, save more. 6 or more, $8.99 each. Oh yeah, so this is what I need right here. See, 1, 2, 3. We're just gonna get 6 today. Alright, just getting 6 for now. And then these are the dividers for the drawers. So for now, I'm just gonna grab just 2 of them for now, because I don't know what all I'm putting in the drawers yet. But we'll start with just these two. And that is all I'm getting for now. Y'all, I have the best manager. Look what she surprised me with. It was for my birthday. This is a cute. Look how stinking cute this rose teddy bear is. The company is Dose of Roses. So if you're watching this, Kim, thank you so much. So cute. I mean, I can't. It's just so cute. Riley. All right, so it's Friday night and I'm about to get ready to go out and have a few drinks. So I'm just gonna speed this part up so you guys can see me do my makeup. I'm not really doing a lot, just putting on just a little bit. I already applied my moisturizer, I already applied my primer. So let's do this. Oh my God, you guys. It's Saturday morning. I'm about to go get my hair done. I got in last night because I went out and had drinks with one of my girlfriends, but I got in and I ended up taking my hair down. I was gonna wait and say, okay, let me just let my stylist take it down, but I don't want to sit in the chair all day long. So I went ahead, took down my hair, took down my braids, and I didn't wash it because I want her to wash it. I just want to get in that shampoo bowl and just close my eyes and relax because it feels so good. But yeah, I took my braids down, girl. My hair is a mess up under this hat. It is cold. I got on my too much mouth hoodie. So Shanine, if you're watching, I'm rocking your merch. But yeah, let me go ahead and go. My stylist texted me and said that she's having car trouble, so she's gonna be a few minutes late, which means I can go and grab some breakfast. So that's what I'm about to do. All right, so I just left the hair salon. I went ahead and I just got my hair reinstalled. It's the same hair. I'm still wearing my MAYVENN hair. I just got it reinstalled. Same frontal, same bundles. I'm just reusing it. But it was just time for me to get my hair done again because it had gotten so loose. So yes. Now I think I'm going to, I didn't even get any breakfast, y'all. Like, I'm starving, so I need to get some food in my system. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let me get in this lane. Let me go. I'll be back. All right, guys, so mini closet update. I have not done anything but put in these little containers. I went back to the container store and purchased more to go on this part because you guys saw that I only purchased 6. So these 4 and then this one right there, and I felt like since it fit perfectly, I went ahead and purchased more just to have 2 rows of these shelves. So this is how it's looking right now. And like I said, I haven't really done anything in the closet this week, but I am going to be taking you guys along with me next week, well, this coming week, so we can actually put products in here and organize this entire closet since it's already pretty much cleaned out. But I'm just showing you guys this part of my closet. I still have my stuff right there, but I'm gonna put all of that, most of the stuff in here, and then just a lot of products I'm gonna stick in these containers, and then just organize over here and then over there. So everything's gonna be good and organized. Well, I'm gonna do it with you guys next week. So maybe like a organize with me or clean with me in the closet portion. But yes, this is what we have so far, and I just wanted to update you guys on that. Okay, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. I know it was kind of sprouted out everywhere, but yeah, I'm just gonna end it here. We just got back from the Lakers game and they ended up winning. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off my makeup and shower, get ready for bed. Come here, Riley. But yep, that is all that we have for you guys today. Isn't that right, Riley? Isn't that right? That is all we have for the people. That's all we have. But yes, let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. Also, leave a comment down below if you guys are enjoying my Vlogmas. We have what? 2 more left? 2? I think 2 more. But yeah, if you're new, I do Vlogmas on Sundays, so I vlog throughout the week and then I upload it on Sundays. But I do have regular content on my channel throughout the week for the month of December. So that's it. That is all. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.